Hey guys, what's going on? I'm gonna make a quick video today on how to do a 360. I've just been getting a lot of people on Instagram asking how to do this trick, so I figured I might as well make a quick tutorial on it. By the way, if you guys aren't already following me on Instagram, go ahead and give that a follow. My username will be on the screen right here, so you can just look it up and check it out. So we have my friend Tyler here. He's gonna be our example on how to land this trick. He's not very consistent on it, so we're gonna try to pick apart everything he's doing wrong and see if we can get him to land it. Alright, and if you guys are wondering what kind of boat we're riding behind, it's a 2018 Nautique G23, and we got around 500 pounds of lead just distributed throughout the entire boat. Alright, so starting off, you're going to want to start in the back of the wave. What this does is give you more room to gain speed and help give you the momentum you need to stay in the wave. Once you're back there and ready to begin the trick, start leaning forward or pump to drive you towards the boat. Once you get to the sweet spot of the wave, I recommend using one hand, but some people use both, to dig in the wave and use that hand to pull your body around. Remember, you want to keep your shoulders over your board so that you stay balanced. Once you start spinning yourself around, turn your head into the way that you're spinning. This will allow you to spot your landing as you come around and make it easier to recover. Think of your back foot being the pivot and your front foot is what brings the board around. So now that we have the basics, we're going to see if we can teach Tyler how to land a 360 by correcting what he's doing wrong each time. Tyler does a great job starting from the back of the wave and leaning forward to gain his speed. He digs both hands in the wave, which made him lean too far forward and caused him to lose his balance as he came around. This next time I switched him to my board because I felt like it'd be a better fit for him. It's my pro model called the Burnsy Pro made by Canuck. The link to order one will be in the description if you're interested. I told him to keep his shoulders over his board more and slow your rotation because it'll make it harder to stop your spin and stay balanced. This next time Tyler did a great job using his pivot foot to rotate the board. However, he was just off balance when he spotted his landing and tried to recover. On this one, Tyler spun too fast, which made it harder to stop spinning, which caused him to fall out of the wave. This time Tyler landed it because he followed all the steps to landing a 360. He did a great job spotting his landing and getting ready to recover right after he came around. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up this video. Leave a like if this video helped you at all, and subscribe if you want more tips to wake surfing. Don't forget to follow my Instagram and have a great day.